श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि रामानुजदया पात्रं ज्ञानवैराग्यभूषणं श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथार्यं वन्दे वेदान्तदेशिकं लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नाथयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां to the Acharya lineage starting from Sriman Narayana Lakshmi Natha with Nadamuni in the Madhyam middle down to Sri Ramanuja Asmadacharyan. Adiyan prostrates at the lotus feet of the Guru Paramparam. Yonityamachyuta padambuja yukma rukma vyamoghatastaditaranayanamene अस्मद्गुरोर् भगवतोस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य शरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये. I perform my Dandavat Pranamams, surrender to the lotus feet of Sri Ramanujacharya. He is the very ocean of daya, kindness, and he is the one who considers everything as a blade of grass, the mere straw, compared to the lotus feet of Achyuta, the one who never lets us down. So, Yonityam Achyuta Padambuja Yukma Rukma Vyamogata Saditrana Trinayamene. He considers everything else as a mere blade of grass as compared to the invaluable treasure, the lotus feet of Achyuta. I perform my Sharanagati to that Acharyan who is the very ocean of daya, kindness, compassion. And such Acharya Sarvabhauman Sri Ramanuja has blessed us with the Gadyatrayam, the Sharanagati Gadyam, in which Adiyan mentioned a statement about the list enumerating the beautiful list of Kalyana Gunas of Perumal as a teaser for the Bhagavad Guna Adbhutam, Amritam. So, Ramanuja has composed 9 works in all, and Gadyatraya happens to be the later day composition. Ramanuja was such a Acharya unparalleled, and there is a beautiful sloka by Swami Desika on Ramanuja by name Yatiraja Saptati, in which he mentions Jayati Sakala Vidya Vahini Janma Shailaha Janipata Parivritti Shranti Vishranti Shaki Nikila Kumati Maya Sharvari Balasuryaha Nigama Jalati Vela Purna Chandro Yatindraha. He is Perumanar is like a mountain from where all the rivers of Jnanam, so to speak, flow down. In the all the Vidya of the world, the Nadi, the rivers of knowledge in the world, flow down from him. He is the mountain from which all these rivers flow down. Emperumanar is like a mammoth huge tree that gives shadow, that gives coolness and shelter to all of us who are caught in the scorching, in the samsaric afflictions, samsara tapam, who are tired of taking birth after birth, serving every life, suffering in every life in between. So, he is like a huge tree that gives cool shade for us who are caught in the scorching heat of samsara. And he is like a morning sun, the Bala Surya, neither hot nor sultry, just nice, just gentle, cool, to dispel all the darkness of night, darkness of ignorance, darkness of ajnanam, which arises from the wrongly directed Avaidikas, non-Vedic religions by the Kumatis. So, he is like a just morning dawn, morning sun, and he is like the Purna Chandran, the full bloomed moon, which simply excites and gladdens us, which promotes the rising tide of the sea of scriptures. Veda Kadalin Karayil Udikum Purna Chandran. The moon that comes out of the Vedic ocean. He is like the moon, and that gives cool shadow, cool bright light, and enchants us, which gladdens us, and which gladdens and promotes the rising tide of the sea of Shastrams, the scriptures, the Upanishads, the Vedantams. Such a beautiful, auspicious praise to Ramanuja. Jayati, 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 victory to Ramanuja. And Swami Desikan also mentions, our Srimad Aishingar says, this is a beautiful slokam, Akarshanani Nigamanta Saraswatina Uchchadanani Bahiranta Rupaplavana Padyani Ghora Bhava Samchwara Pititana Hridyani Bhanti Yatiraja Muner Vachamsi. Here Swami mentions so beautifully, enlisting all the granthams of Ramanuja. So here with the Akarshanani Nigamanta Saraswatina, Yatiraja with the right and expressive of instructions, Upadesam, Yatiraja delivers a discourse. It becomes a free flow of Vedantic sayings, coming out as a spontaneous free flow. And Akarshanani Nigamanta Saraswatinam, Yatiraja Muner Vachamsi Nigamanta Saraswatinam Akarshanani. From Vedanta, in Vedartha Sangraham, one of the 9 works of Ramanuja, Swami gives so beautifully. He is giving the right interpretation of all Upanishadic statements, and establishes that none of the Vedantic Upanishadic statements is in contradiction with the other statement, and he uses the Ghataka Shruti Vakyam, and he establishes the Veda Vakyams in his Nirvaham. So, like Krishna, who enchants and captivates through his beautiful flute music the Gopikas of Nandakulam, similarly Ramanuja, using his Tiruvakku, Kulalin Maliyachonna Tiruvakku, with his lovely granthams, using his Jyoti Vai, with the wonderful work called Vedartha Sangraham, he is able to bring the Nigamanta Saraswatis, Sakala Veda Vakyams, into his fold, and he is able to balance all the statements of Upanishad and gives sensible interpretation, making sure that nothing contradicts with the other statement. Such a wonderful Ramanuja, Yatiraja Muner Vachamsi. And same way, Yatiraja Muner Vachamsi, Uchchadanani Bahiranta Rupaplavana. Here, from his Yatiraja's Uchchadanam, Yatiraja's Sri Suktis are like the mantrams for the Vaidikas like us. And there are the Avaidikas, non-Vedic people, and the Nastikas. It protects us from such non-Vedic people who completely distort the Vedas, and based on that, people get misled and confused and such upadravam, such disturbances, such nuisances are removed from uttering these mantras, which are Yatiraja Sri Suktis. And Yatiraja Muner Vachamsi Padhyani Kora Bhava Sanchvara Pititana. So, the Yatiraja Sri Suktis, the Sri Bhashyam, Vedanta Saram, Vedanta Deepam are like the mantras. Now, similarly, Yatiraja Muner Vachansi Padhyani Kora Bhava Sanchvara Pititana. Here, the Gora Samsara Thapam. For that, the Paramahitam, the right way, is performing Sharanagati. Swami Emperumanar shows himself performance of Sharanagati through this Gadya Trayam, which is Sharanagati Gadyam, Sriranga Gadyam, Vaikuntha Gadyam. The prose type composition on his ultimate surrender to Perumal, Sri Ranganatha and Periya Pirati, Sri Mahalakshmi. And when they were appearing together on the dais on a Panguni Uttram day, Swami went into a trance and composed such a beautiful conversational prose like Gadyatrayam. And these Gadyatrayams are able to show us the path who are caught in the samsara tapam and who do not know, who are led astray by the other margams. And thereby Ramanuja's works, this Gadyatrayam, is like the Patyam. And that Yatiraja Muner Vachamsi Patyani Ghora Bhava Sanchvara Pititana. Now, Yatiraja Muner Vachamsi Hridhyani Panti. After performing Sharanagati and showing the Parama Purushartham through the Gadyatrayam, after the Astikas, the disciples, the devotees are now blessed with the Sri Gita Bhashyam, wherein every slokam Emperumana Sri Bhashyakarar explains the gunas of Sri Parthasarathi, Sri Krishna, and he establishes so beautifully in a nice manner in Gita Bhashyam. And this Gita Bhashyam, every Sri Sukti, every slokam's commentary gives Paramanandam to the reader and those who recite. So, Emperuman Kalyana Gunams thus make us beaming with joy, and people, the disciples and devotees are ecstatic in performing the Nityam, Tiruvaradhanam, Bhagavadaradhanam. And in order to show the way how to conduct the day-to-day Bhagavad Tiruvaradhanam and Anushtanam, Swami composes Nitya Grantham. Thus, the Gita Bhashyam and the Nitya Grantham are so endearing to the disciples and devotees. And that's why Yatiraja Muner Vachamsi Hridhyani Bhanti. Thus, the Navaratnangal, 9 Sri Suktis of Ramanuja, are enlisted by Swami Desikan in this verse. Akarshanani Nigamanta Saraswatina, Uchchadanani Bahiranta Rupaplavanam, Padhyani Gora Bhava Sanchvara Pititana, Hridhyani Bhanti Yatiraja Muner Vachamsi. The 9 works of Ramanuja are the Sri Bhashyam, the commentary for Brahma Sutra that establishes the Vishishtadvaita Siddhantam, the Vedantic Siddhantam, and the Vedanta Saram, Vedanta Deepam, and the Vedartha Sangraham, which are like shorter and intermediate versions of the commentary. And Gita Bhashyam, as the name suggests, it is the exhaustive, extensive commentary on the slokas of Bhagavad Gita, in line with Swami Yamunacharya's Gitartha Sangraham, so beautifully explained by Sri Bhashyakara. Sharanagati Gadyam, Sriranga Gadyam, Vaikuntha Gadyam, the prose type composition on his ultimate Sharanagati to Lord Sri Ranganathan and Ranganayaki. And the Sri Vaikuntha Gadyam how the Jivans travel to Sri Vaikuntham and the beautiful narration, the enjoyment, the blissful narration of Paramapadam and the Paramapadanathan. So it's a picturesque description when Ramanuja is ecstatic reaching the Sri Vaikuntham. He narrates so beautifully and how he would end up performing the eternal Kainkaryam at the lotus feet of Paramapadanathan. And the Nityam, the Nitya Karma Anushtanangal, a Sri Vaishnavan shall perform daily, including the Bhagavad Aradhana. Swami explains in for the Anushtanam. So these are the Nava Granthams which Sri Ramanuja has blessed us with. And we would take up the Gadyam for us to enjoy the Bhagavad Kalyana Gunams from the next session. Adiyan Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha Dhanyosmi.